Do you want free VPN without any ads? If yes, then watch this video till the end because I am going to share you the best VPN which I am using. So friends, you need to open first google.com and you need to type Proton VPN. So just check the spelling Proton VPN and you need to open this protonvpn.com and click on this website. After that you need to create an account with this website. You need to sign up. So here you need to your username. You can write anything username. You can enter your password. You can repeat the password and you can enter an email ID, and just after that you need to confirm it. And after creating your account you need to download Proton Software. From the website only you can download the Proton Software on your system. You can click on Get Proton Now and you can scroll down. You can access this free plan as well. It is freely available. Click on Get Free VPN. Create your account, and I have already created, so I need to log in, and I have already installed this software. Herein you can see I have installed it, and after that I need to enter my username and password and click on login. So once you are logged in you will get this screen, and you can quickly connect on these are free locations: Japan, Netherlands and America. You can select any of these. Let's go for US one. Click on connect. You can see it's saying connecting to United States, and it is free of cost. The best part about is that there is no advertisement. You can see now I am connected to United States. At present I am from India, but my IP is now changed, and you can click on this disconnect anytime you want, or you can change your IP address from here. So I hope now you will be able to do it. Friends, in case you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button and also subscribe my channel for my upcoming videos. Bye bye friends, take care.